Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can wake it up by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the alarm icon, looks like this. Tap on it to enter the alarms menu, and here we can add or remove the alarms. Basically we can set up the alarm. So let's tap on the add alarm. Now we can set the time. To do it, simply use the rotate the crown. You can rotate it to set the hour. Once you're done with the hour, tap on minutes, set the minutes, and then select AM or PM. And once you're done, tap on the check mark, and this should add your alarm right here. You can enable it or disable it by tapping on the switch. I believe you can tap on it to customize it. And here we can change the time again. We can tap on repeat option and select on which days the alarm should be repeating. So if you select never, it's gonna ring only or go off only once. But if you select, for example, every day, it's gonna go off every day. If you select weekdays, it's gonna go off on weekdays. And if you select weekends, it's gonna go off on weekends. You can also select specific days by tapping on them. So for example, Sunday, Tuesday, and let's say Friday. Okay. And when you go back to the editing mode, you also have the option to change the label. You can label it as something else. Whatever can be for the bed, for example. And you can also enable or disable the option to snooze the alarm. Okay, and once you're done editing the alarm, you'll have the time, the label, and you can enable or disable it. You can also delete the alarms. So if you want to remove the alarm, tap on it, scroll down and tap on delete. And you can also have multiple alarms set up. So if we change it to something else like this, as you can see, we have multiple alarms and we can enable them or disable them. We can remove them or add them and stuff like that. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.